Hi, this is Chad from Adventure Designs. We're here at our store in Northern California, and I'd like to show you a really ingenious tool. It's an enhancement tool called the booster plug. This is made in Europe, and it's been put on thousands upon thousands of bikes, and all of these customers that have installed it have really liked the booster plug. And it's really a neat device. Basically, it's an inexpensive way to smooth out a lot of the idiosyncrasies or things that are less than ideal on the modern BMW and older BMW motorcycles. Things like a low or weak idle when it's just idling, standing still, a choppy roll-on, throttle acceleration, and things like that. Basically, what this device does is it tells the computer that the ambient or exterior temperature is lower than it actually is. So the computer ends up putting more fuel mixture into the bike, which makes it run smoother without as much choppy. Another thing that's very nice about the booster plug is if you've put an aftermarket system, whether it be headers or a canister, both or individually, any brand, you'll notice some back popping. This will smooth out a lot of that back popping. So in all, we at Adventure Designs really feel the booster plug is a worthwhile investment. All the customers who've put it on their bikes have really liked the improvement, and it just makes it better. It's a 2013 BMW R1200GS water cooled, and we have the side peeled off. You don't have to dig quite this deep, but it's just a matter of 4 panels, probably 10 Torx bolts to get into this position, but we just want to make it so clear where you're going to install this. So you take the booster plug and you basically install it in line. You're going to look here on the right side of the bike on the liquid cooled standard. The liquid cooled GSA is a little different. This connection here that you're looking for is tucked underneath the tank a little bit. You don't need to remove the tank on the big Adventure, but you can loosen the front and slide it back and get access to this. So the actual unit has 3 parts. You've got this little brain that just goes in line to your existing connection, and then this 24-inch cable with this silver thermostat on the end is the other portion. So what we've done is we've already installed the thermostat here. What you want to do is put this thermostat at a temperature neutral location. Really, you just want to avoid a hot radiator or a hot engine. So we usually, when we install these for customers here at our shop, go as close to the snorkel or where the air inflow is coming, because you know that's a temperature neutral location. The stock connection is just a spring loaded. You press and pull down, and you take your booster plug, same idea, press and make sure it snaps, and then you just plug this in line like this, and then you can secure this with a zip tie or 2, and that's it. Very simple installation. Really, it takes no time to zip tie and connect it in, just 5 or 10 minutes, maybe another 10 minutes to pull off the panels and put them back on, but a very simple installation to greatly enhance or boost the performance on your BMW motorcycle. These are available for both modern and most old BMW motorcycles. Make sure to select the right model and year so we can get you the right booster plug. They're also available for some Huqvarna, a few Huqvarna, and a few Triumph motorcycles. So check the fitment list. It's a great product. One of the questions I get a lot is, how does it compare to something like a sophisticated Power Commander? So really, it's a gamble. You throw all sorts of money at it, and it's only as good as the technician that's calibrating it based on elevation, temperature, all those types of things. So we really like the simplicity of the booster plug. You put it on, it takes 10 to 20 minutes, and it just does it. You don't have to adjust it, it just does a great job. Another question we get is, does your miles per gallon or does the bike consume more gas? And we found on our personal bikes and most of our customers' bikes, there's no real change in MPG or fuel consumption. At the lower end idle, yes, it's richer, it might be using more gas, but we feel that at higher speeds, when you're motoring down the highway at a constant speed, it actually runs more efficient. So you're using a little less gas at high speeds, maybe a little more gas at low speeds, and it balances it out. So the performance is great. So if you've got more questions, we've got a great frequently asked questions section on the booster plug. Check it on our website. So we've just showed you the installation, how simple it is on the new water-cooled standard GS and the GS Adventure. We also will show you pictures and install video of the F800GS twin. and the R1200GS Oil Cooled, both the standard and the GSA. They're all very simple installations. If you've got more questions, we've got a great frequently asked questions section on the booster plug. Check it on our website. And as always, thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. This is Chad with Adventure Design signing off. Thank you so much for your support.